In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix error 1095 on Gemini. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is refresh or reload the page. Next up, you can start a new chat. If the error continues, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Many users have found that account session issues can trigger Gemini errors. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, click on this icon given over here. Now, click on the option Cookies and Site Data. Click on the option Manage Cookies and Site Data. Click on the trash icon for Gemini. Once again, reload your page. This might resolve the issue. If not, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Likewise, you haven't enabled any browser extensions such as ad blockers, as these extensions can also interfere with Gemini. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, you can contact Google support and provide screenshots of the error. They may be able to identify account-specific issues that standard troubleshooting cannot resolve. Hopefully, one of these fixes get Gemini working again. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.